In this video I will show you a green screen and compositing technique to get this. Sorry if you can't hear the excitement in my voice. Hang your object from a fishing line, in front of a green/blue screen. Twirl it up and record a complete cycle of spinning from start to stop. Bring the footage in your editor and find its middle. Cut out a complete rotation from the middle section, for constant spin velocity. Duplicate the section and refine the cut for a seamless rotation. Export the cut of one seamless rotation. Key out the green/blue background. Here I use Keylight in After Effects. Check your key quality against various backgrounds. Export with alpha channel when satisfied with the result. Repeat 1 to 9, experimenting with different objects or angles, for variety. Bring the results in After Effects and put them into one composition. Animate over your background of choice. Add a camera to emulate depth of field. Throw in a logo or a product, and you are done with your commercial. Repeat. Reshuffle. Reimagine. Have fun. Thanks for watching.